In the world of AI, we've just witnessed a monumental leap. Forget incremental updates, we're talking about a complete shift in capability. Welcome to Unleashing the Power of Gemini 3. Over the next hour, you are going to see how Google's latest model isn't just better, it's fundamentally different. We are not just chatting with AI anymore, we are giving it a plan, a vision, and watching it execute. Before we dive in, let's quickly look at the journey ahead and the powerful skills you'll master today. First up, we have an introduction to Gemini 3 in Core Access. We'll start by mastering access. How do you select the powerful thinking with the 3 Pro model? We then prove its intelligence by analyzing its lead on the Humanities Last Exam leaderboard, showing you exactly why this model is the current global leader. Next, we move to Generative UI and agentic app building. This is where we build. You'll witness the Generative UI revolution by instantly creating the complex Paris travel planner application. Then we push the limits of AI with an agentic self-upgrade, transforming a 2D sketch into a functional, self-recording 3D model. We then transition into the sophisticated ecosystem of Antigravity. This cutting-edge platform redefines development through autonomous technology, text-to-app capabilities, and high-fidelity design replication. You'll see Gemini leverage Antigravity to architect complex, scalable code instantly, translating a simple description into polished interfaces featuring even-cut styles like neo-brutalism. Finally, we have multimodal analysis with video, images, and 3D views. This module proves the AI can see and reason. We'll use a video screen recording to perform a perfect design replication and challenge the model with the eByte compatibility app. First up, what makes Gemini 3 the current leader? It's 2 things, speed and intelligence. We are seeing rapid model improvements every 3 to 4 months. That makes last year's tech look ancient. Right now, Gemini 3 is leading the pack based on critical benchmarks. Now, let's talk proof. It all comes down to what the industry calls Humanities Last Exam, or HLE. This isn't a test of memorized facts. It's a test of pure reasoning and abstract problem solving. It's the closest we have to an IQ test for AI. For a while, other models were on top, but Gemini 3 has surpassed them, scoring significantly higher than rivals like GPT-5. That percentage difference you see on the leaderboard translates directly to its ability to handle complex, multi-step, and nonverbal tasks. The kind of stuff that makes other models break down. This is why when we start building, we're confident it can handle full projects, not just one step, to access this power. It's simple. You'll start by searching for Gemini 3. Try Gemini 3 Pro for free. Now, look right down here, near the bottom of your screen. Next to the microphone icon, you'll see a small model selector. When you click on it, you'll see 2 main options as shown right here. First, this is your workhorse model, designed for speed. It answers quickly and is perfect for everyday tasks like summarizing emails or simple brainstorming. Think with 3 Pro. This is the model we'll be using for this course. As the description says, it thinks through complex topics. This means it uses a deeper, multi-step internal reasoning process, which is essential for the coding, video analysis, and complex logic apps we're about to build. We need that level of thinking. With 3 Pro, you get the power to unlock the multimodal and advanced features we'll be demoing. So select that model. That's the key. Choosing the right engine is crucial for all the powerful demos we're about to dive into. Take a quick look around the interface. We've got these great prompt shortcuts like create image, create video, write anything, help me learn, and boost my day. These options hint at its multimodal power. We also have a tools menu. So first up, we have deep research. This is like having an expert analyst. It can sift through hundreds of web sources in minutes to create a comprehensive report, saving you hours of searching. Then there's create videos. This is Google's state-of-the-art video generation model. We'll be using its incredible capability to bring creative concepts to life. Just a prompt. Then we have create images. This uses the latest image models to turn your text into studio-quality visuals. Then there's Canvas. This gives you a collaborative, interactive workspace right inside the app for longer-form tasks, code, and reports. Then there's guided learning. This feature turns research into an interactive lesson, asking you follow-up questions to help you truly master a new topic. So the interface, it's clean, it's intuitive, and it's where all the magic starts. Since this new level of intelligence is at the core, watch for the first monumental difference you'll notice in the output. It's the generative user interface, or generative UI. Other models generate code, but what's new here is the seamless, integrated ecosystem powered by 3 Pro's way of thinking. Gemini 3 can plan, design, and deliver a fully functional UI without any complicated external setups. To prove it, we'll use the Canvas tool. I'm going to give it a detailed prompt now. Here is the prompt I'm using. I'm asking Gemini 3 to build a complete Paris travel planner as a single file React app with an interactive Paris map, a mock flight search panel, and a device itinerary builder that includes restaurant rating sliders and rating summaries. The layout uses a blue and silver theme, card-based sections, smooth hover effects, and responsive design. Now I'll copy and paste this into Gemini 3. Select Thinking with 3 Pro, and from Tools, choose Canvas. And just like that, the AI executes its plan. Check this out. I literally just pasted a single prompt into Gemini 3, asking for a complete Paris travel planner. And look at what it generated, instantly. I asked for a specific blue and silver theme in a single React file, and it totally nailed the aesthetic. Look at the features we have, the map feature. This is super cool. It's an interactive abstract map. I can click on the location and it adds right into my itinerary. So for top attractions, we have the places here, and I'm clicking Add to Itinerary now. Flight search. I've got this fully functional mock search panel here. So I'm selecting New York. I can enter dates here. So this is our interface, and we can see the code here. It did all of this code in one go. Gemini 3 is honestly on another level. This is the shift. Gemini 3 has moved from being just an assistant to becoming an autonomous software developer. It takes complex intent and delivers a functional, professional prototype. That's generative UI, taking context and producing a complete interactive component. Now, let's take the concept of generative UI and bring it into 3 dimensions. We're about to see a feature that truly revolutionizes design work, generating high-fidelity 3D models from simple 2D inputs. So, this is our prompt. This prompt asks Gemini to read the uploaded floor plan and turn it into a realistic 3D model. It tells the model to use the room names, wall positions, and measurements to build proper spaces. It asks for accurate proportions, textures, wall paint, lighting, and furniture so the house looks real. Now, I'll copy and paste this into Gemini 3 and see the output. First, I'll upload our floor plan and I'll copy and paste the prompt. Take a look at what the agent has done. It didn't just simply generate an image. It crafted a fully interactive 3D viewer using Three.js. We can zoom in, rotate, pan, everything here. What's even more impressive is that it used procedural generation, building every single element from scratch. From the walls to the furniture, every detail was generated programmatically, ensuring not just precision, but also instant load times. The agent interpreted all the spatial data, the dimensions, the layout, even the color of the sofa and the texture of the floor tiles. The result? A perfectly proportional, fully functional 3D model. Now, let's take it to the next level with a genetic self-upgrade. I'll instruct the agent to enhance the model with realistic exterior lighting, a detailed garden, and a full environment. And add a functional video walkthrough generator. The agent didn't just fulfill the request, it interpreted it intelligently. It added lush grass, trees, and warm ambient lighting. But what really sets this apart is the video walkthrough generator. So I'm clicking record walkthrough. So it's being recorded. Also, we have a select and ask option. So I'll select this area and ask Gemini what it means. So it's giving the explanations here. Left click. If you click and hold the left mouse button while moving the mouse, the camera will spin around. And about right click, about scroll, it's giving me explanations. Also, we have the Art Gemini features option. See the difference? We have the Smart Home AI option. So it's a voice command style interface where you can control the house using natural language. So Smart Home AI. Here, I'll type, turn the kitchen lights blue. So see, the kitchen is blue now. Then we have the listing generator. This is a tool that analyzes the house layout and instantly writes a professional real estate description for you. So we have our description here. This is the future of work. We're not coding line by line anymore. Instead, we're becoming directors of intelligent AI agents. We provided a simple sketch and a command, and the agent delivered a fully interactive, self-upgrading application with API-driven functionality. We focus on the vision while the AI executes the details. In this lesson, we are going to explore Antigravity. Now, if you're used to traditional text editors or IDEs like Visual Studio Code, you might be in for a bit of a surprise. Antigravity is built on the same foundation as VS Code, but it goes way beyond what you're used to. It's not just an editor, it's an agented development platform. So let's dive in and see how it works. Before we start, make sure you have Antigravity installed. You can easily find the installer by searching for Install Antigravity online. Now, let's do the setup. I'll choose the light theme. And here we have many options. I'm selecting agent-driven development. So this is the Antigravity interface. When you think of an IDE, you probably picture a tool where you're typing code and the editor puts it together. That's how things usually work, right? But Antigravity flipped the script. Instead of being the driver, the person typing and guiding every action, you become more of an architect or mission commander. Here's the deal. In Antigravity, you define high-level goals. Like maybe refactor the old integration service to use O2, and then the Antigravity agent powered by Gemini 3 Pro takes care of the execution. This includes planning, where it analyzes your code base, looking at dependencies and potential impacts. Then comes action. It writes and modifies code across multiple files. Tool use. It installs packages or runs tests via the terminal. Verification. The agent even runs a sandbox browser to confirm everything is working. Pretty neat, right? So you might be asking, how is this different from Visual Studio Code? Is this just a fork? Let's break it down. Antigravity is based on VS Code's open source repository, Code OSS. Google made this decision to keep things familiar. If you're already comfortable with VS Code, a lot of the key bindings and interface will feel the same. However, while the interface might look similar, the underlying engine is fundamentally different. Antigravity moves beyond the traditional text editor into something much more powerful. So as we can see, we have two modes here, the editor view and the agent manager. These are just cosmetic changes. They shape how you work. First, the editor view. This is the classic hand-sewn coding environment. If you need to write algorithms or tweak some CSS manually, this is where you'll work. Gemini 3 helps out here, acting like a super smart autocomplete. It can even generate end-to-end functions just from your comments. In this mode, you also get full access to all the VS Code extensions you love, so you won't feel like you're missing anything. Then comes the Agent Manager. Now, this is where Antigravity starts to get really exciting. The Agent Manager is where you can manage multiple autonomous agents, each working on its own task. You can have one agent updating Python dependencies, while another writes unit tests for your React app. You don't need to micromanage. Just set the task and the agents handle the rest. You can think of it like mission control. You get a high-level overview of what's going on, but you're not bogged down in every little keystroke. Instead of showing a messy stream of logs, Antigravity uses artifacts and structured summaries of each task's progress. Now, let's see Antigravity in action. We'll simulate building a luxury watch landing page. Our goal is to test Antigravity's capabilities in understanding complex design styles, generating visual assets, and writing functional code. So this is our prompt. Here, I'm asking Gemini 3 to create a neo-brutalism style website for the Cronus luxury watch brand. The design will feature sharp geometric layouts, a bold black and silver color scheme, and smooth scrolling with parallax effects. Each watch model will rotate for a 360-degree view, and users can interact with them to get detailed product information while maintaining a sophisticated, high-end, and interactive aesthetic. Before engaging the agent, we need to understand the target aesthetic. Neo-brutalism or new brutalism? This is a web design trend that rejects the polished, flat designs of the 2010s. It's characterized by high contrast, meaning dark black and white raw borders. That means thick, visible outlines around all containers. Typography features aggressive use of default system fonts or brutalist sans serif, often in disproportionately large sizes. And finally, the layout uses experimental grids, overlapping elements, and lacks soft features like rounded corners or drop shadows. Now let's copy and paste this prompt into Antigravity. So here we have two options, planning and fast. I am selecting planning. And also, as you can see, we have many options like Gemini 3 Pro, High, Low, Claude Sonnet 4.5, Claude Sonnet 4.5, Thinking, and GPT OS. So I'm selecting Gemini 3 Pro High. So here I have the option to accept or reject. I'm accepting it. So it works in steps. The first step is always planning. Before the agent starts writing code, it creates a plan artifact. This gives us a step-by-step breakdown of what's about to happen. We can review the plan and make adjustments before it executes. So we have an implementation plan here. It's asking me to review, so I'll just say perfect. One of the primary challenges with autonomous AI is the black box problem. How can a human trust code they didn't write? Antigravity solves this with artifacts. Instead of a chaotic stream at chat logs, agents generate structured objects that document their progress. Before writing code, the agents generate a step-by-step plan. The human architect can review and modify this plan before execution begins. Verification artifacts are perhaps the most critical innovation. When an agent tests its work, it generates evidence. This might be a screenshot of the application running in the browser, or a recording of the agent clicking through a user flow, or a log of parsing test results. This allows for test but verify workflows where the human reviews the evidence rather than the raw code. Here, over the review section, we can see the progress. The agent has already generated index.txes and all other files we need. You can see the code here. Now it's asking me for permission. Antigravity would like to use the browser. So setup or deny. I'm giving setup. So this is our output. In our prompt, we asked for neo-brutalism, thick borders, hard shadows. The generated website perfectly adhered to those constraints. In previous generations of AI, requesting brutalism often resulted in generic, grayscale minimalism. Antigravity demonstrated a nuanced understanding of specific web design microtrends. It understood that brutalism in web design is different from brutalism in architecture, though. It successfully merged the two by using concrete textures and images and real lines in the code. With Antigravity, you don't just code faster, you code smarter. The agent handles the repetitive, mundane tasks, allowing you to focus on the bigger picture. And the best part? You can trust the work the agent does because it generates artifacts, documented proof of the agent's progress, whether it's a test result or a screenshot of a working feature. Antigravity isn't just an evolution of the text editor. It's a complete rethink of how we approach software development. By combining the power of Gemini 3 with a VS Code compatible interface, Antigravity bridges the gap between creativity and execution. As we move further into the agent era, the role of the developer will shift from writing every line of code to orchestrating intelligence. In this new world, you won't need to memorize syntax. You'll just need to know how to ask the right questions.
One of Gemini 3's biggest differentiators is its multimodal analysis. It can process images, audio, and video, enabling it to go beyond simple text, understanding and performing complex creative replication. We're going to prove its visual reasoning by replicating a live website's layout. First, I'll show you a website I want to replicate. So this is the website. I have a screen recording of this website. Now I'll upload this to Gemini 3. I have uploaded the screen recording of our website. Now I'm ready to prompt our agent. So this is my prompt. I am asking to replicate the layout of this educational dashboard exactly, and also to transform the content into an AI research dashboard. Also, I want a blue and silver theme, and to replace the old data with simulated stock ticker information. Also, I want the output in React and Tailwind CSS. I'm selecting Canvas and thinking with 3 Pro. Now, let's wait for the output. So the code base is generated. So we have our output here. The AI agent interprets the individual structure from the video and replicates it precisely, demonstrating its deep multimodal reasoning by transforming the complex visual input into a functional code output while applying a completely new style, theme, and data source. Instead of coding a layout from scratch, I uploaded the video file directly to Gemini 3. My prompt was directive. I asked it to replicate the layout pixel for pixel, but to completely hallucinate a new context, specifically an AI info investment dashboard using a corporate blue and silver color palette. Gemini didn't just copy the text. It understood the semantic structure of the page and gave us the output. And here we have our output. Notice the attention to detail. This entire translation from video input to functional code took only a few minutes. It's a massive time saver, especially for rapid prototyping.
Before we wrap up, let's look into 5 essential takeaways from this session on Gemini 3 and the new era of development. Gemini 3 is not just an iteration, it's a game changer. We've witnessed a major leap in both speed and, critically, multimodal intelligence. This means AI that is faster, smarter, and can natively understand and reason across text, code, images, video, and audio simultaneously. This means AI that is faster, smarter, and can natively understand and reason across text, code, images, video, and audio simultaneously. It is the most capable model for complex, long-term tasks and deep understanding. Forget static test responses. With generative UI, the output of AI is completely transformed. It's no longer about receiving an answer, but engaging with a dynamic, interactive experience. Gemini 3 can now generate visual layouts, interactive elements, and custom user interfaces on the fly, making AI inherently more intuitive. This is where the magic happens for developers. Tools like Antigravity and Canvas, and a powerful new feature, text-to-app. You can literally go from a simple natural language idea to a working, shareable application or interactive prototype in minutes without writing a single line of traditional code. This is the era of white coding in agentic development. Complex tasks like multi-step planning, analyzing entire code bases, and real-time 3D and complex simulation analysis are now more accessible than ever before. Gemini 3 puts these advanced, data-backed decision-making tools at your fingertips, turning previously impossible problems into solvable challenges. Finally, our role as developers is fundamentally changing. We're moving beyond writing code line by line. Instead, the modern developer is the director of behavior. We are focused on articulating what the AI agent should accomplish, not how it should accomplish it. We are the architects leveraging Gemini 3's agentic capabilities to orchestrate powerful autonomous workflows. These advancements are truly reshaping how we build and interact with AI, and they are opening up possibilities we have only just begun to explore.
If you enjoyed this video, you can enroll in Great Learning Academy for free. Choose from hundreds of courses across multiple domains and earn a certificate of completion along the way. And if you want to take it a step further, you can try Great Learning Academy Pro Plus with a free trial. It provides access to additional premium courses with more advanced content from distinguished faculty, along with features like guided projects, a resume builder, and mock interviews to make your learning journey even richer. Link is in the description.